Alright guys, here I am, and I'm gonna continue my speed run. After coming back after Christmas, so yeah. In case some of you guys have been asking me, like in your heads or whatever, my Christmas was pretty good. Got quite a bit of money, and then I got some stuff, yeah. Skipping the cutscenes like before. Camera refocused. Alright, we're ready to go. Yeah, hopefully I'll be getting my new TV either, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, or sometime next week. I will probably be able to get 2 walkthroughs done in no time. If I could record whenever I wanted to, I would record a lot more frequently, believe me. Recording and playing video games is not my life, but I would do a lot more than I have. Besides using the Rhino, there's no way to really rush through this. Don't really need an Inferno, but I decided to go ahead and use it. Alright.
I don't believe it, folks! He survived the death course! And here to give you your prize, the lovely Miss Courtney Gears!
Am I playing that commercial? I don't know. Or cutscene.
Come back anytime to compete for cash prize.
Alright, the rest of this video, I'm not going to go to Quatos yet, because you go back to the Phoenix, and you go to Quatos. Instead, I'm going to kind of talk to you guys a little bit. Yeah, there's a few things that I need to kind of explain. Alright, first of all, what I'm going to be doing next is probably just finishing the speed run because it will take the least time. I might go back to Jack and Daxter, which I started like, I don't know when, sometime in November, I know that. And then I will probably go and finish Going Commando. I'll finish Going Commando on my newer TV, because I'm not going to do it on this one out here where I can barely ever use it. I'll do it on one where I can use it whenever I want, so that I can get the walkthrough done. After Going Commando, I will be going to Up Your Arsenal directly after. I will not be making any guides in between Up Your Arsenal, Going Commando, or any time during the Up Your Arsenal walkthrough. So, and a few people have asked me on Facebook, why are you doing the speed run when you haven't done the walkthrough yet? Doesn't make sense. Really, I just wanted to kind of experiment with speed runs because I will probably end up remaking this walkthrough, or not walkthrough, speed run, because it has turned out so weird because of the first 5 videos being skipped, or the end of the first 5 videos being cut off. It was kind of wrecked it. So my speedrun 2 will probably be a remake of my speedrun 1, and then speedrun 3 will be probably like the closeout of the guides, pretty much. Not the walkthroughs, but like the final guide thingy I do. I consider a guide anything that is not a walkthrough. Like this speedrun, I consider a guide because it's not a walkthrough. Although I'm not really guiding you through anything, I just call it a guide. So hopefully that clears things up. Alright, hope you guys liked the new picture. Yeah, I think it's kind of cool how clear it is. So it'll be just as clear on my newer TV as it is on here, I promise. Alright, so the next video will be on Aquatos. I'm gonna stick down to one project, finish the speed run, really quick, do a 2-video Rhino 3 guide, finish the Going Commando walkthrough, stick down to it, go directly to the Up Your Arsenal walkthrough, then get the Up Your Arsenal walkthrough done without any interruptions, any other guides, and then I don't know what I'm doing after that. Alright, see ya.